Hey everybody, Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in today's guide I'm going to show you how to consistently crop a photograph. When you have a set of photographs, a set of pictures, and you need them all to be the same size, the easiest way in which to do this is to create a crop preset. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, it makes sense that we select our crop tool. And then you're going to set your size. Now, basically, I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to consistently crop photos for your Instagram stories. Now, Instagram works on a 9:16 ratio. So the width is 1080, the height is 1920. So that's a 9:16 ratio. So if we come up here to this drop down menu, it gives us the option of 16:9. Now, that's the wrong orientation. So let's just flip those sizes round. There you go. Now we have a consistent crop size to suit Instagram stories. So let's move the photograph into position. Let's say we're happy with that. Now if we come straight back up to our size guide again, come down to new crop preset. Let's hit that. It's going to ask you to name it. So let's go ahead and name it Insta Stories. Okay. There you go. So we have it there. So now that forms part of our crop ratio options, Insta Stories. So now when you have a set of photographs and you want to create an Instagram story from those photographs, you can consistently crop your photographs so you know, safe in the knowledge, that your images will be represented on the screen as they do in your Instagram stories. Guys, I hope you found that this guide helpful, and I shall see you next time.